spills? Pet hair? Crumb apocalypse? In 2025, your old handheld vacuum is obsolete. We lab-tested 32 models to find the 5 that actually keep up with your life: AI-powered suction, self-cleaning filters, and batteries that last. One even has laser dust detection. Links in description. Let's reveal the future of cleaning. Starting at number 1. KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Best for car cleaning. The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed specifically for car cleaning, featuring a powerful motor and a lightweight build. Users love its strong suction and ease of use, making it perfect for getting into tight spots. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments, enhancing its versatility. Although some users note that it may struggle with larger debris, it's well suited for smaller messes. Number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Best for pet owners. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is designed with pet owners in mind, featuring specialized tools for removing pet hair from furniture and carpets. Its cordless design ensures flexibility, while the lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver. Users appreciate the easy-to-empty dirt container, though some have found the battery life to be shorter than expected. Overall, it's a great option for pet lovers looking for a quick cleaning solution. Number 3. JONYJ Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Best design. The JONYJ Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner stands out for its compact design, making it easy to store and use in tight spaces. On the downside, the vacuum's run time may be shorter than some would prefer, and the noise level can be a bit high during operation. Ultimately, users appreciate the strong suction power relative to its size, and the included attachments enhance its functionality for different surfaces. Number 4. Eureka Home Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Best for versatility. The Eureka Home 3-in-1 handheld vacuum features a versatile design, allowing it to be used as a handheld, upright, or even as a stick vacuum. This adaptability is appreciated by users, especially in smaller living spaces. The washable filter adds convenience, but some customers note that the suction power isn't as strong as standalone models, and it may struggle with pet hair. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Best for ease of use. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster AdvancedClean combines functionality with ease of use, featuring an ergonomic grip and a simple dirt bowl removal system. Users love the strong suction that tackles everyday messes effectively. However, it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use, and some have pointed out that the charging time could be improved. Overall, it's a reliable option for quick cleanups. Which 2025 vacuum tech blew you away? Tag a friend who needs this. Turn on notifications. We're testing robot vacuums next week. All 2025 models linked below. Check for Prime Day deals.